आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question says that if sine inverse of 2a divided by 1 plus a square minus cos inverse of 1 minus b square divided by 1 plus b square is equal to tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, then prove that x equals to a minus b divided by 1 plus ab. So now we have given that sine inverse of 2a divided by 1 plus a square minus cos inverse of 1 minus b square divided by 1 plus b square is equals to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now we can write it as this is our first function, second function, this is our third function. So we can just write in the simplest form. So our first function is that is sine inverse of 2a divided by 1 plus a square. Now put a is equals to tan theta. So we can write it as sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta we can write as sine inverse of sine of 2 theta, because this is the half angle formula of sine 2 theta, and sine inverse of sine 2 theta we can write it as in a 2 theta format when our 2 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, because we can't take pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. These two we have to restrict these values because we can take a is equals to tan theta. And now we can write our second function simplest form. So we can write it as cos inverse of 1 minus b square divided by 1 plus b square. Now put b is equals to tan phi. So put b is equals to tan phi. So we can write it as cos inverse of 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. And this is the half angle formula of cos 2 theta. So we can cos 2 phi. So we can write it as cos inverse of cos of 2 phi. And now we can write it as cos inverse cos 2 phi in the 2 phi format, where our 2 phi lies between from 0 to pi excluding pi by 2. And now we have to write our third function in the simplest form. So we can write it as tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So third function is tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now put x equals to tan alpha. So we can write it as tan inverse of 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha, and this is the half angle formula of tan of 2 alpha. So we can write it as tan inverse of tan of 2 alpha, and we can write it as that is equals to 2 alpha, where our 2 alpha belongs to from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And now we can write them into, now we can put theta is equals to tan inverse a. So we can write it as 2 times of tan inverse a, and we can write it as that is equals to, we can write here that is 2 tan inverse b, and here we can write it as 2 tan inverse of x. Now put the value, so 2 tan inverse x. So this is our equation number 1. This is our function first, second and third. Now put first, second and third. So we can put these values in this our equation number 4. So in equation number 4, so we can write it as 2 times of 2 tan inverse a minus 2 tan inverse b is equals to 2 times of tan inverse of x. And now we can write it as our 2 should be cancelled out, and so we can write it as tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b, that is equals to tan inverse of x. Now we can apply the formula tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So we can write it as tan inverse of a minus b divided by 1 plus ab. and that is equals to tan inverse x. So from here we can write it as our x is equals to a minus b divided by 1 plus ab. So this is our final answer, and we can write it as hence proved.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।